there, upholstery friends. I am so excited. I just received a special gift from my friends over at Sailrite. They came out with some brand new staple guns and they've asked us to give them a try. This is their short nose gun. It's got a really comfortable feel on your hand. It's a good weight, easy to hang on to when you need to be shooting staples. And this is the long nose version, so same thing. Both feel really, really good to hang on to. Now these guns come with their own little oil cans in the box, and they also come with Allen wrenches should you need to make any repairs. They also already come with the fittings on them that you need to attach to your hoses. Now these are 1/4 inch fittings, so they would fit a 1/4 inch fitting on the end of your air hose. The staples that these guns take is a 21 gauge, so it's a little bit heavier than the 70 series. And the crown on the staple is a 1/2 inch, so it's a little bit wider as well. So this is my Sailrite staples, and these are the 70 series here on the left. Another good thing about having the heavier gauge and the wider crown is in situations where you're stapling, especially with vinyl, and sometimes your staples go right through and cut the fabric, this will eliminate that problem for you. So I am really excited because we have 6 women coming for a 3-day workshop this weekend, and they are going to give these guns a full test run.